Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our app you can easily print product catalog as a PDF report. So let's see about that. You can see here our module their product catalog report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to this product catalog and generate product catalog. Print by products, select style. Here provided total style 5. I want to select style 1. I want to add image, price. Now add products. Let's select and print. You can easily see here your printed product catalog with a number, image, product name, category and price. Thank you.